Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up age appropriate content filters in YouTube Kids. Setting up age appropriate content filters in YouTube Kids ensure that your children has access to videos suitable for their age group and preferences. So this is how you can do it. First, you can just open the YouTube Kids applications on your phone, and then you can access the parental settings by tapping on the gear icon at the top right corner of the app and enter your you need to answer this simple math problem because this is a parents only settings. So you can just tap on submit, and once you've entered the parent settings, you can set up your child profile if you haven't created one. But if a profile already exists, you can just select it to edit. For example, I'm going to just add it for this ones right here, and then you need to enter your password, and then you can just click on next on enter. And in here, YouTube Kids will offer a 3 age-based content categories. If you want to change it, you can scroll down until you find the content settings. Tap on the edit settings and you'll see this categories. The first one is preschool. So this one is for age 4 and under. It features simple educational and entertaining content. Next one is younger for age 5 to 8, which includes songs, cartoons, and mix of educational and entertaining videos. The last one is older, which offers broader content like science videos, DIY projects, and gaming streams. And you can also customize or approve the content yourself in here. You can manually add or approve videos and channels you find appropriate for your child. Okay, you can just set it, and once you set it up, you can just go back. If you want to block inappropriate videos or channels, here you can do it by clicking on this three dots icon at the top of the channel or at the bottom of the video like this, and there will be options to block a channel or block a video like this. So, and the next one, you can also monitor and adjust settings regularly. Periodically check your child's watch history, which will ensure the content aligns with your expectations. And don't forget to adjust filter and settings as your child grows and their preferences change. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.